Is Bitcoin a scam? Let's break it down. Bitcoin was created in 2009 as the first decentralized digital currency.
Cool, right? That was all done by AI. And that is exactly what we are going to create today. Why? Because Bitcoin is so popular and mainstream right now, everyone is getting in. So let's get started and take advantage of this profitable niche. First of all, go to ChatGPT and write, "I want to create a Bitcoin channel. Please give me video ideas." Amazing. Now pick one you like and type something like, "I will pick, is Bitcoin a scam? Please give me the narration text only for my AI narrator and make it no longer than 1 minute to read out loud." Now copy the script and go to 11 Labs, an amazing AI text-to-speech generator. Pick a nice voice from the voice library or use a voice you already own. Add the script and generate the text-to-speech audio.
Is Bitcoin a scam? Let's break it down. Bitcoin was created in 2009 as the first decentralized digital currency.
Okay, this is not what I was looking for. Let's look for a better voice. Now generate it.
Is Bitcoin a scam? Let's break it down. Bitcoin was created in 2009 as the first
This one is far better. Let's download it. Now we will go to HeyGen. Here we can create our very own AI spokesperson. Sign up with your Google account to get free access. Click on Avatar Video and choose the widescreen template. Now pick an avatar. Be sure that the voice matches the appearance of your spokesperson. Listen to the voice again to get a better reference.
Is Bitcoin a scam? Let's break it down. Bitcoin was created in 2009 as the first decentralized digital currency. Unlike scams, it doesn't promise guaranteed returns, nor is it controlled by any single entity. It runs on blockchain technology, a public ledger that anyone can verify.
I will pick Conrad. Now delete the standard script and upload the 11 Labs audio. Press Submit. Now it will take around 5 minutes and it will be done. Let's watch it.
Is Bitcoin a scam? Let's break it down. Bitcoin was created in 2009 as the first decentralized digital currency.
Okay, amazing. Let's download it. Now next I will also generate the same audio but with a different angle from Conrad. Not all spokesperson have this, but Conrad has it, for example, and it will add a lot of dimension and realness to the video.
Is Bitcoin a scam? Let's break it down. Bitcoin was created in 2009 as...
Okay, after you've got all the footage you need, it is time we open up CapCut. Add the HeyGen footage. When you've got multiple angles, make sure to put them on top of each other. Extract the audio and only keep one audio as the main audio. Now I will edit the footage in a way that we switch between the different camera angles. If you want, you could consider adding keyframes like this and make the video zoom a little bit in. But for this video I found that a bit too much. Add some transitions. Next, you can add your logo or add some Bitcoin stickers to cover up the HeyGen logo. But of course, if you take this seriously and your channel is successful, having a HeyGen subscription will be on top of the list. Now generate the captions and choose a nice template. Next, we will go to Pexels to get copyright-free videos. Simply download footage related to the video. I will add a cool animation to it when it appears and disappears. Get some background music, for example, from the YouTube audio library. Add it to CapCut and turn the volume all the way down. Let's add some filters. Now go to text and add a cool text template for the start of the video like this. I will add some extra Pexels footage. I will also add some extra images from Google to make the video even more understandable. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own Bitcoin YouTube videos with AI and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Is Bitcoin a scam? Let's break it down. Bitcoin was created in 2009 as the first decentralized digital currency. Unlike scams, it doesn't promise guaranteed returns, nor is it controlled by any single entity. It runs on blockchain technology, a public ledger that anyone can verify. But here's the catch. Scams do exist around Bitcoin. Ponzi schemes, fake investment platforms, and phishing attacks prey on uninformed investors. That's why education and security are key. Bitcoin itself isn't a scam. It's a revolutionary technology. But like any financial asset, it carries risks. Always do your research, use secure wallets, and beware of get-rich-quick schemes. So is Bitcoin a scam? No. But the scams surrounding it are real. Stay informed, stay safe, and invest wisely.